So, meet Agent Jimmy. Now watch this.
So, as you can see, we have started the workflow and we have sent the first message to the agent that this is a new member, add them to our database. And here we have received a success message. The first message is for the manager and the second message will go to the user, the member, on their phone number with their member ID. Here, as you can see, the data has been added to the database. Now, we will go and start our second workflow, in which we will trigger to send a message to all those whose renewals are within 7 days. So here, the user has received the message, and the manager has also been notified that we have sent this many reminders today. You can compare the date if you want. Our next due date is 8/2/25, and it is the same in the message here as well. It's not necessary to send the message only in text format. You can send either a text or a voice message, and it will get to you.